this kind of Ethernet traffic transit through two different firewalls is a bit of sophisticated. First, what we have to do is that we have to encapsulate Ethernet traffic into some kind of other encapsulation protocol. Basically, we can use layer 2 circuit or Ethernet circuit protocol for that, and then we have to encapsulate it into the generic router encapsulation. So this is the first part, how it can be done. Ethernet transport over the layer 3 network can be carried by an MPLS pseudo-wires over the GRE protocol. Here is one example setup how it can be accomplished. The other way to do it is to straight interconnect branch devices between each other using layer 3 interfaces. On the branch SRX, first what we do is that we take Ethernet traffic, encapsulate it, throw it into the GRE tunnel, and then through a logical interface it will move from the default routing instance to the flow virtual router. We have to use flow virtual router as we cannot accomplish this kind of sync with packet-based processing. So in this kind of termination we have very sophisticated configuration. We can use also some dynamic routing protocols for two branch devices to communicate with each other, and we have to use at least two physical interfaces and at least 3 different virtual interfaces consisting of logical interface, GRE interface, and also IPsec interface. Traffic will move from the default routing instance to the flow routing instance, then it gets encapsulated into IPsec, and on the wire it will be encrypted, so no one can intercept and read this kind of traffic. So first encapsulation interface is connected to the default routing instance. As we can see, we have a specific filter and cross-circuit family which takes our traffic in and then transfers it into the packet mode, and also it accepts it. After that the immediate fragmentation occurs and traffic gets encapsulated into the GRE tunnel. We have to be cautious that different interfaces have different fragmentation or MTU values, and if possible those values should match on all interfaces. In this example, MPLS MTU is 1900 and family INET MTU is 2000. So basically traffic will get fragmented on those kind of interfaces. When GRE tunnels are created, then devices can communicate directly with each other.